apply these tips to your weight loss plans. The challenge with weight loss is that it is as much of a physical challenge as it is a mental challenge. If you ignore the portion size, you will fail. Similarly, if you neglect the mental portion, you will fail. It requires your complete physical and mental attention in order for you to see any type of benefits for all of your efforts. Don't be fooled that all chicken has less fat than other meat. It's not the animal that matters, it's where the meat comes from on that animal. Every animal has areas where it stores more fat, even chicken. Dark chicken meat contains more fat than beef rump roast or top round, and twice the fat of pork tenderloin. The best part of the chicken to eat is the breast meat with the skin removed. Even better, eat turkey breast, as it has fewer calories. Don't expect to be perfect. When on a diet, everyone slips up now and then, and it is nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, the guilt that you will probably feel about slipping up is actually a great motivator. It means that you are truly serious about your diet, and it should be pretty easy to get back into your weight loss routine. Stay positive, and remember to get back on track immediately. Avoid empty calories. A simple way to help your diet is by avoiding food that contains empty calories. These foods include candy, soda, chips, French fries, and alcohol. Your body needs the correct fuel for optimal function, and this is achieved by consuming foods that are rich in nutrients. Drink plenty of water. Drinking lots of water throughout the day will help to fill you up. Water has a lot of volume but no calories. The problem that most people encounter is the fact that water has no taste, so it's more of a chore to drink it. Try flavoring it with lemon or lime. Another option is to purchase one of the many flavored waters that are available. Try to drink between 8 and 12 glasses a day. Use less fat in cooking. Hidden fat is everywhere in food, so if you cook at home, you can reduce the amount of fat in your meals. When using meat, try to trim as much fat away as possible and avoid frying. Remove the skin from chicken or turkey before eating. When preparing sauces or dressings, use low-fat ingredients. Use herbs and spices to add extra flavor. If you have a recipe that won't work unless you use a high-fat ingredient, try to use less of it. Weight loss is such a challenge because it doesn't just require you to stay focused. In the same note, it doesn't just require that you only go to the gym. Rather, it requires your undivided attention to both of these things, at all times. However, after watching this video you should be prepared and focused enough so that you can get started on your weight loss plan.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get our latest videos about your health related. Thanks for watching.